Typical. But this is the problem we've been having all day, is unreliable connectivity. Again, it's the VPN. It's not like it's not like I can blame the broadband provider. I can't. You're back, I'm back. No problem. Start. DCT. That was a big movie yesterday, wasn't it? Certainly was. Well, wow. What? DCT. This is kept under the wraps. Well, scratch day. Don't worry about it. Scratch day is better than a red day. Anti trying to kill. I've just made 2K with air and gave it all back, about $90. So I'm being a little bit idiotic with my hotkeys. I sell 5,000 instead of 2.5 when I was only 2,500 in. Doesn't help. Connect. Not volatile enough though. The PCT might be. Looking pretty extended up there, that's the problem. Five cents. Yeah, actually it's not that volatile either. I mean, it's 5 cents on the ATR at the moment. So we're not seeing anything really that's really breaking a sweat. Better a scratch day than a red day, absolutely neat. At 12.55. No, the candle's not broken at 12.55. Why would it be broken at 12.55? I don't know. The candle is broken on air at 12.55. I'm not sure what you mean by that, El Puno. The price? Well, it went up to almost $13. It went up to $12.95. Don't know what you. Honestly don't know what. You know what? Don't want to sit on my fingers. I mean, yeah, it's a small green day, but I'd like to get to goal. I mean, I've had a good start to the week. I don't want to put the mockers on it. You've had an 8-day green run, Alistair. That's the whole point, okay? So make sure your red day is a small red day and don't go revenge trading. All green streaks come to an end. You've got to accept it. Red streaks are, you know, red days are inevitable. It's just. Oh, 55. I'm still don't know what you're talking about, Kuno. Still don't know what you're talking about. I'm looking at area. You say 1255. The candle's broken at 1255. How do you make that out? So 1255. How's the candle broke? Which candle? What time candle are you looking at? TSHA. I'm just chasing momentum right now. So over 220, this might go some. No momentum, just chasing momentum. Anything with a decent momentum, I'll take a look at it. Right now, I'm not seeing anything with any decent volatility on it. I'm looking for something that's going to do like 10 cents on the ATR or something, instead of 3 or 4 cents. I mean, I don't want to be sat here waiting for something to move, buying into consolidation. Where do you think you went wrong, Alistair? Holding too long or trying to catch too much, buying at the high, or adding to the position at the high? Well, some of these large stocks are still moving. Tesla's still breaking highs. The S&P 500 is still moving up. Let's have a look what's moving up further down the line. Let's just change the price to over $10, and let's have a look at let's have a look at some of the mid and high cap stocks and see what's happening there. That's below, under 20, not over 20. I want it over 20. Appian Corps, Indie, Monday.com, 67 cents on the ATR. Now we're definitely getting 67 cents. It's for $172, 60 cents, 80 cents on the spread. Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe that wasn't the best idea, the best option. Try and go for higher prices here. Maybe just over $10 instead. Yeah, well, you know, learn from it, I suppose, is the best thing you can do. I seem to be blasé about it, but you know, you're in a good spot there, Alistair. You've had a good consisting. That's what a long winning streak, a green streak. Even if you're not at goal every day, but a green streak, it shows consistency, and then when you get that red streak, it's a reality check to say, look, don't take your eye off the ball. You're not better than the market, and it will humble you. So it's just it can be refreshing to have. It can be good for you to have that red day, as long as it's not a big red day and eats into the whole 8 green days that you've had. I know some of those green days have been really good, so. Get him. That's terrible. Well, the late start time's temporary. I had some gremlins. I played gremlins this week, so I had gremlins on Monday. I had gremlins again today. I've found the source of the gremlins, so I've uninstalled that particular piece of crap. I should have known. I used to sell this stuff back in the day, and it was crap then. So I used to compete against it since, and it was crap then as well. No volume on that. The IPO today, Elevai, it's not priced, it's only the one. So ELAB, it was looking like it was one from yesterday that got pushed. It looks like it's going to get pushed again, but I've not seen any pricing on it, so. I'm not sure if it's going to go, but that's the only IPO that I've got listed scheduled for today. But doesn't look like it's going to happen. So looks like we're struggling for things to trade. Well, I don't know about it being 100% real. This ventriloquist dummy's a hand up my arse is making me feel that I'm not a real boy. Yeah, some of them are they're not actually trading. They're just calling out shit, and it's a pain in the hole. Pax Medica. Now, we did make some money on this. When did we make it? Was it yesterday? Pretty sure it was yesterday when we made money on this one. It's choppy as hell today. Yeah, 1,400 we made on Pax Medica yesterday. C Limited was a good shout out from one of the guys in the Discord this morning. Fair play to you. It's wasn't great volume, but now, I do have some news actually. I've been playing around with a new platform, just a test platform, with a prop firm. They're interested in working with me. So I'm thinking, I asked in the Discord yesterday who would be interested in doing a prop challenge to get funded as a trader. Now, I've been talking to this prop firm, and what they like to do, what they might do is, or they're prepared to do, is do a competition for Day Trade with Tony, the Day Trade with Tony community, students, viewers, and etc. So stick around. I might have details on that. We'll have a competition, a trading competition in a simulated environment with kind of the top stocks, and then the top 3 can get a trial out to get funded. And the rest you can actually pay to get funded, and there's no geographical restriction. Someone was asking me about if they do Canada, because prop firms not doing Canada. Yeah, they do Canada, they do the US, they do the UK, they do anywhere. They're a global outfit. They work with some good brokers as well, and you'll be given an account if you pass the profitability test. You'll be given an account on something like Interactive Brokers or something to trade, which is great. So watch this space. I should be able to get the details of that either tomorrow or Friday. I might even invite them onto the live stream and answer your questions directly. So that will be, I'm sure, of interest to you. Just broke a new higher day at $39. Bang on C Limited. I don't like it. Back to Medica. It's not even above the pre-market high yet. 250. Tesla breaking highs again. Tesla's having a roll. Tesla's on a roll. Up there at 245.90s. 246. High of day 246.16. Yeah, I was thinking about that, Alistair. If I can get a price from them, so you know, look, if you want to trade with someone else's money, if you can't afford a decent sized account, you want to trade with someone else's money. There's not many prop firms doing equities anymore. It's mostly forex, and most of them are a lot of them are just scamming. For want of a better. So the ones that I know of that are not doing forex are doing futures. So futures, it's not that easy to qualify either. So I think it's a bit more risky. Forex and futures, the majority of people pay for an account with a prop firm, and they never get funded because they never pass the test, because they're just not profitable. Forex is very, if you've not got a large account, you're not going to get profitable with Forex. There's something like 6% drawdown for consecutive, a double challenge or whatever. I'll get the details from them, and we'll schedule schedule them to join one of my live streams, probably Friday. If they can come on Friday, that'd be great. Because Friday's usually a bit quieter, isn't it? So they come on Friday. I bring them on Friday, and we can have a take your questions, as it were. Longer barrel. Oh, GVN. I'm not seeing it. Is anybody seeing anything else moving? Because I'm not seeing anything moving right now, guys. I know you feel, Alistair. There you go, T212 there, Puno. Not only is it, you know, they control the spread in the fills, they take away your sell button when you're in profit. Lovely. Yeah, life in the sun by the pool. Actually, it's been absolutely assisting down today. Tesla breaking highs. Nothing really exciting at the moment. Top of momentum stocks to the upside. Top surging stock right now is Jaguar Global. It's not got no volume really. Yeah, okay, Alistair, rub it in. It's been absolutely precipitating, is probably the best way of describing it today. C Limited, now I'm interested. 31 at 39. Second attempt at 39. Now I'm interested. Yeah, absolutely, Callum. But probably the best thing to do, enjoy. I probably should do that. Go and do a night swim. Don't like swimming at night. Well, at least you got, at least you'll be able to go and watch the Toon in person. Actually, it's international weekend, so you won't be able to go and watch the Toon in person, will you? You need to hold 39. I'm not holding on to this if it doesn't, I'm only giving it a 10 cent risk. 4% on the ATR, more risky than 10 cents, 250 bucks. Under 94, I'm gone. 38.94. Yeah, there's a forum I'm on in for expats here, and it's the majority. To be fair, the majority of the expats that are here are either American or Australian. a lot of the Americans are just, you know, what I'd kill to have a Chick-fil-A or a Denny's and I'm like, you're in the tropics, you're in a developing nation in the tropics, in Southeast Asia, and you're moaning that you can't have crappy American junk food. What's wrong with you? Why did you even come out here? It boggles the mind. Well, Germany, it's I don't know. I like the Black Forest area in Germany. I usually get good weather in the summer. It's terrible weather this time of year. Actually, last time I was in Germany, I was in Munich, and that would have been in March. And there was snow on the ground. I'm scaling. If we can get over the $250 here, I'll start scaling in. Tough life, Alistair. Tough life. Actually, I need to get her passport sorted so we can start doing a bit more traveling. Oh, it's not looking attractive right now. We're currently in with C Limited. They had awful earnings. This is more of a bounce off yesterday's sell-off. Terrible earnings pre-market yesterday. Yeah, Alistair, that's terrible. I agree with Neef. You know, you could be at home watching Jeremy Kyle or whatever the current equivalent of that is. Jerry Springer or whatever. Is Jerry Springer still alive? Did I see he died a couple of last year or something? Jerry Springer, the king of daytime TV talk shows. Jerry. So C Limited, not really breaking out, but we'll see Limited. Yeah, what a show that was. Brilliant. But it spawned 1,000 copies. That's the problem with Jerry Springer. It spawned 1 million copies. Even his own bodyguard took the same format. It's let's find the most degenerate, trailer trash, wannabe, you know, horrible people that we can find, inbred, whatever, with only 3 teeth between them. Usually wearing a shell suit and kind of allergic to soap and water. But they're hilarious. It's usually a big ugly woman that's like, I'm messing around with your brother, and like the two brothers are like, what? Well, one man's trash is another man's treasure, as they say. That's why so many people watch it. We had the British versions, was it Trisha and Jeremy Kyle? I think there's a couple of others, but I wasn't an avid fan, just know of them. I'm sure there was similar format shows in pretty much every nation. I'm just going to get out of this. This is not going anywhere. But let's find something that is moving a little bit quicker. Yeah, we're just not finding anything worth trading right now. I think it's going to be like all greens go green, and I think locking down a small green day is better than having a red one. IOs Incorporated. Mid caps to where it's at today, it looks like. Can't trade any of these kind of volumes. Yeah, look, if you want to hit the thumbs up button, you can do. I'm not too worried about it today. It's the second stream today, and you know what? It's my own fault for having the gremlins, but we got rid of the gremlins, so you know we'll give it 25 minutes to see if something else pops. You know what? I'm just going to increase the volume. It's not got over 500,000 in volume on the day. I don't want to see it. I don't like that because if something pops in the news, it's going to take a while for the volume to get there. That's why I don't like doing that on that one. Oh my goodness, Side Spark. What are you playing at? What? I saw that on the other chart there. Went up to over $7, crossed the VWAP, and then flushed back down again. I don't know what's going on there. Huge volume. What's going on with Spark? Is there a news event? Because that just popped up like 70 cents, 60, 70 cent sprout up, and then a whole dollar drop. Just missed out on the halt level as well. SciSpark says trial results indicate that SciSpark proprietary product provide a safe and effective solution for alleviating agitation in elderly Alzheimer's patients who participated. It's a major breakthrough. They celebrate a major breakthrough. I don't like that wick at all. Can you imagine trying to get in for the break of the VWAP then? You're watching this and it breaks the VWAP to the upside. Straight away, you've lost all that. Ah, that could have been painful. Look, it's at it again. At it again. Did get in for the break of the VWAP. Let's see, can we get over $7 and hold it? Give it 50 cents given this range. I might shot my load a bit early. Here we go. And we hold $7. Can we get over $7 and hold? Was up $9 pre-market. Spread as much as 20 cents, so just bear that in mind. I've got a cushion on this one on the day, on the ticket, but I've not got much of a cushion on the day. I want to see this testing the $0.50 at least. Let's see. 710. It's toiling under 710 right now. Let's see if we get over 710. Let's break through here. $0.25. Come on. What we're looking for. Let's flush in an instant, so you've got to be careful with this. I don't want to go in too big too quick because of just the way you can flush, and the halt levels are way off. So the halt level right now, 740 to the up, 606 to the down. So we could lose a whole dollar before it halts. Forming, it looks like it's forming an ascending wedge up to a flat top at 710. $77 on the 2 minute, the low. Struggling at the VWAP and 7 on the whole dollar of 7. So let's see if we can break over this this 710 resistance, or if it comes crashing down, we'll take a hit. $6.99 on here, and we get $7. That's where the $6.99 is the VWAP. We don't want a VWAP rejection, we want a VWAP break. Come on. Do we get $6.99, $7, $7.25? That's what we're looking for. Volume seems to be failing now. Volume's getting less. volume woke up after that big spike up, but it's struggling at the VWAP. I'm just going to put my trailing, my stop in place below the $0.25, so $0.75. Get a breakout, I'll cancel that and put a trailing stop in place. It's flag formation. If it breaks lows there, $0.75, I'm done with it. Whole point is get green, stay green, and that's my intent. Let's see, does it move up or does it break down? Let's, who's going to give me odds on it moving up? Who's going to give me odds on it moving on breaking down? And Bruno, all the major caps, the higher cap stocks have had a good week so far. And last week was a great one. Couple of good days this week as well. So we had the CPI data came out yesterday morning, and the whole market rallied. PPI data came out this morning, had a little bit of a pullback, so I think that was probably priced in with yesterday's rally. Still up on the day. S&P 500 up 0.44%, the NASDAQ 100 0.46%. Dow Jones Industrial Average 0.39, and the Russell Index still outperforming them all at 1.4% up on the day. Do we get the breakout? $7. We're looking for a breakout over $7. $7.10. Now we're between the spreads. Yeah, I should have left my stop in there. Cancel my stop for the move back up, but it did a bit of bull trap for me. Liquidity grab. It's the same well, Clarty. It's the same. Music's too high. Nah, it's not. Only for you, AG. I suppose you should turn your hearing aid down. But 8 o'clock every day, 8 a.m. every day, Clarty. I'm going to start scheduling these so that people can actually find me. Oh, that's taking us red on the day as well. Small red. Nothing really breaking out. Tempest starting to move up. I still think this could move back up again. So, as it did before, it pulled all the way, but it went up to 710, pulled all the way back down to 620, then went back all the way up to 710. So, volatility personified. I'll wait for an entry though. high of this candle is 75, 74. I'm glad I didn't go in any larger size. So I'm going to look at Tempest. Can we get 10 cents? Not really. 3-cent range. Nothing doing there on a 3-cent range. Yeah, nothing doing there. Oh, absolutely, every day they're Clarty. Every day. I've been streaming live since August from the Philippines. I'm currently in the Philippines. It's 20 past midnight here right now. So yeah, the volume's just dried up. I'll take the hit. Still green on this ticker. Actually red on Kante today. A bit of a double bottom formation at I'd say 256 breakout. W type pattern there. Above the VWAP, which makes it that little bit stronger. Am I still live on the old YouTube review? You see, the chat seems to have gone quiet. Are you all busy trading? Let's see. And we're going to get the move all the way back up to 710. New high here. I didn't want to add just yet, but no, it's okay. It's okay. Alright, take the bid with you this time. Put 10 cents on the ask. Rejected. Rejected. I was up 10 cents on the ask and it didn't take the bid with me. Nice one. Looking for a bounce. Fair play to you. You bought where I got stopped out. I'm looking for a move past 7 on the bid. Oh, unit 660. I'd put my stop at break even right now if I was you. This doesn't look very strong. There's 660 on the bid. Is it going to create a nice little double bottom here? Now 20 cents down on the app. Oh, 30 cents down on the app now. This is another liquidity grab. A megaphone there, isn't it? I can see I see over 39 for the proper time this time. You might need that stop at this rate, Alistair. $0.30 down on the bid. Put my stop at 650 also. I should have bought Target. I had good earnings, to be fair. Target, it's done well today. Good earnings. Good move up on earnings. Not the only one either. It's a couple of good movers today on earnings. Target being one of them. Having a quick look at some of the other stocks that are up quite large. Schrodinger. Ring Central. Not great volume. Yeah, Target was probably one of the better ones today. That was on the earnings as well. So not a big earnings day today. There's not any big coffee table names that I would call out for after hours. So I'm not going to be sticking around for after hours either. It doesn't, no, absolutely. I did say that, but it was rescheduled from yesterday, so it looks to me like it's if you're gonna go up to $7, take the bloody bid with you. $0.20 down on the bid, 15 on the ask. Hey, Scout. How you doing? Excuse me. quit when I was 4K up on this. No, yeah, when I was 2K up on air, I was 1500 on this, 2 up, it was 4K up on the day. That's when I should have quit. Not a goal though, so it's difficult when you've got a daily goal and you've not reached it, it's difficult to quit. I don't like taking small green days, that's my problem. I'd rather have a red day, solid red day, or a solid green day. I've had a good week so far, so I'm not too worried about having a red day. Not the day that's in it, not with the market that's in it. But this moves out, it could get us green again. In fact, just under $500 red on the day as it stands right now. 2.5K unrealized. It's only a loss once you realize it. We could be sat here for a while, but until we either get stopped out or a breakout. So we've been waiting for this breakout, move back up over. So this was a $9 stock earlier today, so just putting that into context. On the initial move up, I made some good money on the initial move up, and then it pulled back hard. Nothing saying this can't go back up towards $7.50, $8 even. So pre-market high was $9, I believe, $8.99. Pre-market high. Well, a penny off $9 for pre-market high. Just to one, a penny off $9 on the pre-market high. It went up from kind of $4.50. We're at $4.50 when trade resumed this morning, and the news broke. It went up to $9 pretty much in the space of 15 minutes. Watch this to move up over to over 7 from 650. I don't think it's unrealistic. It certainly is, Neith. It certainly is. So C Limited is testing the $0.5 at 39.40. We're at 39.40. It's testing the $0.5 now. Volume's dried up again. I'm getting in there with the increased volume and then it just dries up straight after, so maybe not reading it well today. It's walk with me. KNTE is just consolidating sideways right now, choppy sideways. It's kind of got like a 60-cent range that it's trading in right now. If it gets over 260, then I'd say maybe it'll move on and move back up to the highs again. Right now, it's probably looking weaker than it is looking stronger. So I'll come back to SideSpark in a minute. So you look at this, the initial volatility out of the blocks, and then it's just sideways. The range is getting smaller. It's a narrowing triangle. So it's above the VWAP, granted, but right now it's looking like it's more than likely going to break down than continue the rally. In my humble opinion, I'm just a fat guy on the internet. What do I know? But yeah, what with me? That's the opinions of a fat guy on the internet. Oof. That went up to 89. No action. I'm in at 89 and it went up to, it's up at 90 now, so off you go, over to $7. Take the bid with you though this time. Over $7, take the bid with you. You know you want to. It did this last time. It pumped up and then flushed back down again. Just as I got in. Oh wait, I've got my stop. I've got my target. I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a break of the VWAP. I'm looking for a break of set the whole dollars. $7. So either get stopped out or it breaks $7. One or the other's got to happen. Got a 50-cent range to play in. Absolutely. Well, you were taught by a degenerate there, Alistair. I'd go back and ask for a refund of your tuition fee. He's obviously taught you some of his bad habits. Actually, I don't teach the bad habits. He just learns the bad habits from watching the stream every day. That's where the bad habits come from. By the way, guys, if you do want to come and join the Day Trade with Tony community, feel free to join. You can get 40% off before the end of the month by using Black Friday 40 as the coupon code. Day Trade with Tony, link in the description. Come join the community. You get access to the education material, get access to the private trader forum, and you get access to me as well. Not that that's anything to write about, but to get excited about at the moment. How to lose money on a Wednesday. $0.10 per share, Alistair. Let's get it right. 10 cents per share. But yeah, I get you. I mean, I'm between the spreads right now, so I'm still waiting for it to break over the whole dollar. I have this 94, 694. So I can sit here with my arms folded till it breaks $7 really. Yeah, Mark, yesterday was a good day. Monday was a good day. Tapping 7 there. Tapping 7. I want to be over 7 on the bid though. I'm getting greedy. $96. Caught between the spreads. I hope we took some profit there, Alistair. little bit off at least. I know I'm in a little bit higher up than you are. Get over 7, I can take at least half off. Let's see if it breaks over the VWAP. It needs to hold the VWAP. Good man. Glad to see you being sensible there. That's a 30 cent profit. Good stuff. Now move your stock up to break even. We'll have you green on the day yet. Still between the spreads, but the rejection at the VWAP, the rejection at 710 is pretty much where it's been at. Currently at my buy price. Now it's below my buy price, it's pulling back. I've risked way too much on this trade, by the way, so I'm saying about 3,000 or whatever. I'm not going to make 3,000 on it, so that skew whip in terms of the risk reward. In your own time, stock, let's get up there to $7. Take the bid with you. I said up there, not down from. No, listen to me, you know, it's like having kids. Right in the stock market, they're like having kids. They do it does the exact opposite of what you ask it to. I can't even average down because the ask is right at my buy price right now. So it's only the spread that's stopping me being profitable right now. I don't know, but this air conditioning needs taking a look at. It's bloody warm. got the air conditioning on, but I don't know why it's so warm. I've not fallen asleep. If anyone's wondering, that's the famous Chow Chow Miyako. Fast asleep, snoring away. Approaching 1 o'clock in the morning. Set my stop at 60 now instead of 50. Cancel that when we get back up into the 90s, if we get back up into the 90s. It's snowing in Dublin, Clathy. Well, I don't mind the snow, to be fair. I really don't. As long as it's proper snow, not that crappy, grey, mouldy, sleet stuff that doesn't stick. A good layer of snow, a couple of inches thick, it actually acts as insulation. And it's pretty. I find snow quite uplifting. A good sprinkling of snow is nice. It's when it's that horrible, sleety, slushy, grey stuff. Not like that. Hey, Top G. You're very welcome. Hey, look, I moved partly for the warmer weather. I mean, it was either she comes to Dublin or I come over here. So, really, she'd never survive in Dublin. Little sparrow that she is. Oh, no, we're not. It's not a crypto channel, Top G. So, sorry. You can buy Bitcoin if you want. You can buy it anytime. I don't think the SEC's put any block on it yet. But this is equity, trading equities, day trading stocks and shares, not crypto. You trade by yourself. Well, you do you, boo-boo. And this is going to stop me out. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm going to knock it on the head and lock in a red day. Yeah, you're right. So am I. Yeah, I think I'm going to lock in a red day, guys. It'll probably go now. Yeah, but it's been doing that last hour. Big moves. I mean, this one was I should have learned from this one. This move up on this candle here. Not that. Move up on this candle here at 11:06. It opened at 6:52, went all the way up to 7:10, and then down to 6:16, all in the space of a minute, and then it went back up to 7:10, and down to 6:50. Then it's just the epitome of chop. So, and I don't think there's going to be anything else that's going to be worth taking a pot shot at. So I think I'm just going to lock it down at red for the day. Do you know what, Radko? Make it back before the end of the day. If there was enough volatility, I'd say yeah, definitely. But you know what? It's not a huge amount of volatility today. It's a very sideways, choppy market. I mean, you even look at it at SizeSpark. It's you look at it on the 5 minutes. It popped up and the pre-market. It's just sideways and choppy. It's not really gone anywhere since it didn't even get to the pre-market. At the opening range high, let alone the pre-market highs, which was the pre-market highs, by the way. We look at Biopharma, again, very sideways and choppy. We're getting a flat bottom now, descending lower highs, kind of flat bottom, lower highs, so it's definitely getting weaker. Tends to this flat bottom wedge tends to break downwards. SLDB was a big gap, but you look at Look at the VWAP. The VWAP is just horizontal on most of these stocks, and that's a good indicator that it's not going anywhere up or down. It's just sideways and choppy, that seems to be the case across the board. So Spark, just I'd see pulling back now. Probably would have been the one to have made a little bit of money on there. 39.77. But yeah, nothing really saying you can make money on this. There's no IPOs today. There's nothing really going parabolic. There's no big movers. We're just throwing good money after bad. So look, it is what it is. I'll lock in a green day, a red day. It's well, let's have a look, shall we? Top G, can I give you some advice? I don't give advice. Not a financial advisor. I'm offering financial advice. I can give an opinion. Don't give stock pick signals or financial advice. But if you've got a question, I'm happy to answer it. Again, I stress, I'm only giving my opinion. The meanderings of the insane meanderings of a fat guy on the internet. That's all it is. Okay, so let's talk about where we are. Okay, there's my Benzinga, as you're aware. So let's go to the calendar. Where are we? Oh, we only need to look at the calendar for this month. So we're going to be locking in just shy of 4K down on the day. So we've had a couple of red days already this month. We've kept them relatively small, which we're doing today. Had a couple of big days, 10.5K on Monday, 11K yesterday. So 4K in the grand scheme of things, it's not a big deal. If we look at the reports for November, you can see averaging 10K up until today. Averaging 10K, that's for the year. No, that's not for the year. That's for November. So I'm averaging 10K. There's 10 trading days gone. So we've got another 13 or whatever. Next week we've got a short week because Thursday is Thanksgiving. Remember that the markets are closed, and we close half day on Friday as well. So I might just take a long weekend. So yeah, 10K, 10.6K is the average that I'm making on the day. Today throws that back. So we're still going to be close to 10K. Across the board. Well, it will be because 11, so it'll be 9,000 something. 9,000 something. So I can't say I'm having a bad day. It's a red day. Red days are inevitable, and if you've got to get used to the fact that some days you're gonna make losses. It's part of trading. Red days cannot be avoided. You're going to have them at some stage. Alistair just had 8 consecutive green days. One of the guys in the Discord, he had like 20 consecutive green days. It's a fantastic, in terms of consistency, 20 green days in a row. That's a phenomenal winning streak. But all winning streaks, all green streaks come to an end. So, get used to having red days. Learn to take it on the chin and come back stronger and make up for it. So it puts you in drawdown for a day. So you're in drawdown, you know what? You can come back from drawdown. Just be disciplined about it. So if you want to buy some day trade with Tony merchandise, if you trade with me on a regular basis, a lot of you do. Get your shirts, get your hoodies. It's winter coming up, so don't know if you are a fat guy on the internet or you just trade with a fat guy on the internet. So that's me, and all kinds of different colours. Whatever you want to wear, whatever colour you want. That's get your cups, get your wine coolers. whatever you're doing, that's the merch store. Go check it out. If you want to learn to trade, as I said previously, you can join the Day Trade with Tony community. You don't just get access to the education material and the lectures and the content. You get access to the ebook trading library. You get access to me as a mentor, and you get access to the private Discord as well. It's 120 bucks a month, 300 bucks for a quarter, or a grand a year. But what you can do is you can, up until the end of this month, you can use the Black Friday promotion coupon, and that will get you 40% off. So come join us, and if you want, so for example, if someone said that they couldn't apply the they couldn't apply the what do we call it, the coupon. I'm just going to show you where to apply the coupon. When you go to enroll, doesn't matter if you're going through it, it's a little thing that says apply, add coupon. Okay, so you add the coupon, and it's the Black Friday 40, and then apply that. There you go. Takes 40% off. Okay, so it's reduced. So what was 120, now 72 bucks. If you can't afford 72 bucks, then there's something wrong with you. I'm sorry. Also, Benzinga, I've just showed you Benzinga. Get on it, check it out for free for 14 days. Fantastic to find stocks that are moving, stocks that are trading. DTWT35, once your 2-week trial is up, if you want it, get 35% off regardless of which package you go for. Go for the essential package. The options mentorship is only if you're a regular options trader, but the essential package, it's cheaper the longer that you subscribe in, the same way as it is if you're with the Day Trade with Tony. Trader view journaling, that's what I've just been showing you on the journaling there. So go check out all of those, and I'll be back tomorrow. And we do it all again from tomorrow. 40% FARC is for any of them. So if you want the 40% off, so 1100 for 3 months FARC. No, it's not 1100 for 3 months. You've got a package there, which is a complete trader trainer package, which is, I think, is at 1100, but it's 299 for 3 months. It's 120 for 1 month, 299 for 3 months, and 1000 for a year. Or you could go for the full trader trainer package, which includes pretty much everything that I've been talking about, but for 3 months. But it includes simulator, it includes Benzinga, it includes everything you need, basically. So the 1000 per year is 40% off. Yeah, so you get that for 600. Because categorically, 1000 less 40% is 600. So yeah, you get that for 600 for a 12-month subscription into there. My fiance is weird. She just sent me some weird gifts on TikTok, but no, it is what it is. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Is it still blocking the screen? I do apologize. You're absolutely right. No, it shouldn't be. That's fine. Not yet, Mark. Not yet. So I've got a little over 100k as of now. I've got 100k to go to net to get to the annual goal, and I've got about 200k, just shy of 200k gross to get to the gross goal. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, that was Miyako saying goodbye. If I'm trading live in the Discord, then you'll see the screens. Yes, but I'm going to bed now. So when I do trade live in the Discord, yes, it's pretty much the same setup as you see on YouTube, but it's in the Discord instead. And private to the Discord. So, but the advantage you get from the Discord is you get exactly that Discord with all of the other traders. You get setups. You get everybody's calling out what they see on a regular basis. I'm giving information on earnings. I'm giving information on movers. So there's a lot you're getting in the Discord as well. So a lot of people enjoy the Discord, and a lot of people have that open while they're trading. So I'll see you all. I think we're in triple figures now on the Discord. We've got over 100 people in the Discord there far. So I'll see you all tomorrow.